You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these. Name from Japanese. It's originally the name of a region in Japan, but it's most famous for being the name of a Japanese World War II battleship. In Japanese, it is said as Yamato, Yamato, Yamato. So in English, not Yamato, but rather Yamato, Yamato, or Yamato. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.